Of our region are being greatly affected by the coronavirus cases.
All right, in Salamanca, schools went remote today because of the rising number of cases there. Our Ron Plant spoke to the superintendent today about the decision, which has changed once again in this fluid situation. Right, Ron?
Yeah, that's right, Scott. A weekend policy decision posted on the district's website revised again today, as I found out from the superintendent this afternoon. It started last week in the Salamanca School District in Cattaraugus County, which briefly went to remote-only learning before this year with mold in the elementary school and then a COVID-induced staffing shortage. But this time, with the soaring projected four-fold case count up to 80 or more for positive cases or quarantined students due to potential classroom exposure, unusual since most schools are seen as safe, low-risk transmission places.
This was really our first verified contact trace in-school transmission. And what we believe has happened is we had a number of students come to school symptomatic, but not really ill. And we had some staff members come to work that were in that same boat.
That prompted the original remote learning decision through the holiday break, but then over the weekend, a revised downward caseload with intensive contact tracing, easing fears somewhat. And for remote learning,
we will be open for in-person instruction on Thursday, December 16th.
While some parents have not been happy and confused with these policy shifts, Bridenstine says they're willing to be overly cautious.
I am not opposed to having to shut down again if the numbers warrant that. And that's why it's absolutely essential that everyone follow the protocols.
That means staying home if a student or school staffer feels sick, and don't break quarantine if you're exposed. The Salamanca mayor, who required masks in City Hall in September as cases started rising, frustrated as well.
Even when they have tested positive, they still were going out and about. And that is alarming, and it's scary to think that people are doing that and not thinking of what it might do to others.
The Cattaraugus County Health Director says they feel most of the school cases were actually community transmission, but better to be safe than sorry. Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.